choo-choo, you just got hacked. I'm about to post this on your YouTube account too. I'm gonna post it on every. No, I'm just gonna post it on YouTube because you should never leave your iPad here with me. I mean, I won't do anything. Psh. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I'm putting this on YouTube. So if you see it, then you see it. And side note, I really love this song. And my tongue's blue because I ate a airhead. Not a hairhead, airhead. God. Okay. By the way, this song is by Pierce the Veil. Bulletproof Love. They're just so perfect. I love Pierce the Veil. D-Fizzy too. D-Fizzy's perfect, man. He is just... Anyways, bye.